Hello, so here is the app called PINGO by FindMyKids. So this is a companion app to FindMyKids app, this app is used by kids and FindMyKids is used by parents. So parents set up this app for kids. You need to have two apps, and this is how the PINGO app looks like for kids. So it's very basic. So you can add a source. Like if you're in danger, you can add I'm at home, I'm at school, I'm working, everything is okay. You can just go in chat. Here are chat messages from your parents. Here you can see also add a parent list, and that's what it is. It kind of looks simple, but this app is quite advanced, because if you give permissions to this app, originally when you install it, actually your parents, kids parents can see your activity. They can block your kids access to some devices and some websites. Again, they can track your location, track where you are, track all your activity, and disable that you can delete this app. So they can set permissions that you can't delete this app. So yeah, it's a very powerful kids tracker app. Again, it acts as a companion to FindMyKids app, which you just have here. So that's what it is. So yeah, quite a powerful app, I would say. It's one of the best apps to track location of your kids specifically. So yeah, give it a try.